Hi, I am Harish Goteti and welcome back to my channel. We are going to continue our Amazon Quick Suite journey. Right now it's actually called Amazon Quick, right? But I'll continue to call it as Quick Suite because it's a collection of products. So today we are going to understand the pricing plans. Yes, there's a pricing page where everything is mentioned, but even when I first looked at it, there were some questions. So I hope this video, you will watch this video so that you can understand in-depth pricing of Amazon Quick if you are exploring it for your business. So let's dive in. Let's first understand the pricing components of Amazon Quick, right? So first thing is it's free up to 25 users. So up to 25 users, it's free, and the basic plan is free. Then you have the basically it's pay per user subscription model. So you pay per the user, typically like any other SaaS product. All right. So that then you have the user subscription fee. Then the next one is you have the AI usage, right? Usage fee, which is basically what they call as agent hours. So through agent hours, you actually go ahead and if you use the agent hours beyond allocated hours, you will pay for it, right? So that's another thing. The AI usage, I'll explain where you will use the AI is basically about when you run any flow or when you run any automation, the AI usage will be counted or will be, counted towards those executing of those flows and automations. Finally, there is an infrastructure fee of $250 per account. It's not per user, it's for your entire business per month, right? So that is an additional fee that you pay for the infrastructure fee, per account. So that's about the Quick. So you also have Amazon Quick site, right, as bundled with the Amazon Quick product at the moment. So with Quick site, if you are using Quick site within Amazon Quick suite, then you have something called as Spice charge. Basically, it is a super fast parallel in-memory calculation engine to really build amazing to do the calculations for the reports and dashboards. So it's priced at about 38 cents per GB per month. So that if you enable that, so either you enable it or you disable it. There is no so there is no option to go ahead and use it for some reports and not for other reports. Okay, then you also have the pixel perfect reports for complex and high resolution multi-page reports that you create. So it's one per report, but there is a minimum of 500 that you have to pay. Even though if you are using 200 or 250, you will be still charged for 500. Okay, so that's the about the pixel perfect report. So now about the subscription plans. If you see, there is a professional $20 per user per month, and then there's $40 per user per month for enterprise. I strongly discourage going for professional, and I encourage going for enterprise, because the flows, the automation, everything is part of enterprise, right? So you will lose a significant amount of functionality if you go ahead and choose to use professional, and I'll show you in a second. So this is the pricing, right? As you see, for the professional, you will be able to spaces, quick flows, all the stuff is available. But the real part where you are creating knowledge bases, setting up the actions, right, using the quick automate, right? So deploying automations, AI based automations, all of that is something you cannot do, right? So with the with professional plan. But with enterprise plan, you also get additional research hours or agent hours, that that is still a value. So basically you are paying you are paying around $10 extra. So always go for enterprise with respect to the plan that you choose to use. So this is about the pricing, really about the pricing. Now that you understand how it is priced, in the next video I'll explain how to calculate the ROI, and for this particular, for Amazon Quick, based on a scenario with 100 users and things like that. So stay tuned, watch the next video, and if you like this video, do subscribe to this channel, because I'm going to post a lot of stuff on Amazon Quick, because I strongly believe this is the best product out there for SMBs, accounting firms, legal firms, to be able to compete, and to be able to go ahead and scale their practice without having to spend a ton of money on multiple products or multiple people. Thanks for watching.